This species is Australopithecus africanus. This is really the first time in our evolutionary history where we start to see an increase in brain size. Now, this species had roughly 460 cubic centimeter brain size, so a little bit larger than a chimpanzee, so we're still going to consider this to be a more primitive trait in this species. We have larger molars, however, which is going to be a more modern looking trait. So our species, we do have larger molars than our anterior teeth in particular. Going back to a more primitive trait though, Australopithecus africanus did have some canine-sized sexual dimorphism in the species, as well as some sexual dimorphism within the body size as well, indicating that there was a moderate level of sexual dimorphism overall in the species. This was a more robust species overall. So from the shoulders to the cranial morphology, everything's going to be, again, more robust. I have another sample here for you to check out. This is the Tong child. Let's get that all together. The Tong child, these are the remains of a young child, and we can determine a lot from this in particular. So this is a partially fossilized segment of the brain of this young child. This is a major discovery, or it was a major discovery, because this allowed scientists to determine that even though we were bipedal at this point, we were walking upright, so you can determine that based on this foramen magnum and other features, but even though we're looking at bipedalism, we're looking at a small-brained individual, and this were really clear evidence for that.